Hare Krishna and a very warm welcome to all my dear angels. Now, in the last few videos, I have shown you some magical techniques of finding the square of the numbers. Number will be ending with 5, starting with 5. Number will be ending with 25. It may be like 4 to 75 to 525. I have shown you so many techniques. Now, in this video, I am going to show you some multiplication techniques, magical multiplication techniques. Now, here again, the focus is on number 5. As I told you earlier, the number 5 is a very mysterious number, a very special number. After 9, it is the most mysterious number. So, I am showing you how to multiply 2-digit number, 3-digit number, or maybe more digit number whose end digit is 5, and the difference of the numbers is always 10. So, the very special technique to multiply such numbers, and for that I am sharing my screen with you. So just confirm to me that my screen is all visible to all of you and that I am audible to all of you. So let us consider the number 45 into 5 into 55. Now here the first condition is that the end digit of both the numbers is 5. End digit of both the numbers is 5 and the difference of both the numbers is 10. Difference of both the numbers is 10. So 45, 55, difference is 10. 55, 65, again the difference is 10. 65, 75, again the difference is 10. In the same way, you can take more number like 75, 85, 85, 95. Means both the numbers should be ending with 5 and both the numbers difference should always be 10. Then only this technique which I am telling you is applicable. The technique which I am telling you is applicable when the difference of both the numbers is 10 and the end number of both the digits is 5. Now to multiply this number, let us consider the bigger number 55. And in this number, let us take the first number 5. So what is 5 square? 5 square is 25. So answer will be 25 minus 1. Square of this bigger number. Square of this number before 5. Square of this number before 5 minus 1, and that is 24. And remember here, it will always be 7 followed by 75, not by 25. 5 by 5 in this case is not 25, it is 75. So remember this case. In this special case, it is a special case where 5 into 5 is not 25, it is always 675. When the difference is 10, it is always 75. In the same way, 55 into 65. Now the bigger number is 65. I take the number before 5 and that is 6. So 6 square is equal to 36. 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. So my first part is 35 and the rest part is always 75. The product is always followed by 75. In the same way, 65 into 75. Now the first part is 7. Now the bigger number is 75. The first part is 7. So 7 square. 7 square is equal to how much? 49. 49 minus 1 is equal to 48 and then followed by 75 and not by 25. Please remember in this case, the product is always followed by 75. 5 into 5 is not 25 in this particular case when the difference is 10. How it is 75? That I will teach you in my next session, in my next video, why I am getting 75 or not 25. In the same way, you can multiply all these numbers. 75 into 85, consider the number 8. 8 square is 64. 64 minus 1, 63. 6375. So for finding the product of all these numbers, you should know the square of all the numbers from 1 to 30. You should remember the square of all the numbers from 1 to 30. Say 95 into 105. So now 10 is the number before 5. So 10 square minus 1. 10 square is equal to how much? 100. 100 minus 1 is 99. So the answer is 9975. 9975. In the same way, suppose I have to multiply 125 into 135. Now 135, the number before 5 is 13 and 13 square I know is 169. So 169 minus 1 is equal to how much? 168. 168 followed by 75, and that is the answer of this question. 125 into 135. So you see, just fraction of a second you can solve such big multiplication. So I have shown you all these examples are there. 135, 145, 145, 155. So you have to solve all these questions in the same way. 195 into 205. Now the number before 5 is 20. So 20 square is 400. 400 minus 399 and followed by 75. So the answer is always 399. Answer will be 39975. It's a very simple technique, but for applying this technique, it is necessary that you must remember all the numbers from at least from 1 to 30. At least from 1 to 30. If you remember more than that, it is very nice. But if you remember up to 1 to 30, then you can find the answer very fast. Suppose 295, 305. Again, the difference is 10 and the last digit is 5. So I can apply my technique. 30 square is equal to how much? 900. 900 minus 1 is 899. And then followed by 75 and not by 25. Please remember the last in this case will be always 75 and not 25. So for your ease, for your for your comfort, I'm writing all the squares of numbers from 1 to 30. 1 to 30, I have written all the squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is equal to 0, 4, 0, 9, 16. I have written all the squares, right? And written up to 30. Right now, if you see the square for 441, 21 square is just the reverse of 12. This is also a wonderful natural fact of square. 12 square is equal to 144, and 21, if you reverse the number, the square also get reversed. It becomes 441. So wonderful fact, right? In the same way, I have shown all the reverse. In the same way, 31 square is 961. And what is reverse of 13? 31, it is 13. 13 square is equal to 169. When you reverse the number, the square also got reversed. So 31 square is equal to 961. So two numbers are showing such properties. 12 square and 21 square, 31 square and 13 square. The squares are reverse of each other, right? Now, here I have shown 20 square, 21 square, 22 square, 23 square, 24 square, and then 25 square. Now, here I have shown 26 square. Now, you see, this relationship was 26 is one step ahead of 25. So, what I have done, I added 1 into 100 to 24 square. I get 676. In the same way, 27 is 2 steps ahead of 25. So, I add 2 steps, I go to 2 steps back. I get the number 23. I get 529. 529 plus 2 into 100, that is 200, that is 729. In the same way, 28 square is equal to 484, means 22 square plus 300, 484. 29 square is equal to how much? 441, means 441 means what square is equal to square of 21. 21 square is 441. So 441 plus 400, that is 841. 841. And finally, 30 square is equal to 900. That is how much? 400 plus 500. 400 plus 500 is equal to 900. So this is a relationship between the squares of number 25, numbers of 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 with the squares of number 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Right? So this is a very simple technique I have shown you. You have to just find the square of the bigger number and then subtract -1 from that and followed by 75. So very fast technique, very simple technique, and you can multiply the numbers of this kind. Remember one thing, that this technique is applicable only for such kind of numbers with both the numbers are ending with 5 and the difference of the number is 10. Difference of the number should be 10. Then only I can apply this technique of finding the square of the number before 5 or the bigger number. Bigger number is 255. Number before 5 is 25. 25 square is equal to 625. 625 minus 1 is 624. 624 and then 75. So this is the answer. Right? So very fast technique, very simple technique. So I hope you must have liked this video. And in the next video, I will show you why I'm getting 75 and not 25. Why I'm writing 25, 75 and not 25. So I'm now stopping sharing my video. So students, I hope that you must have liked my video. And if you feel that this video really precious video is really wonderful video, valuable video for your precious time, then you can you can subscribe to my channel. You can share this video among your friends. And if you want to learn more such techniques of speed mental math, more some magical games of mathematical operations of speed mental math, then do call me at my number 9265418811. I repeat, 9265418811. So thank you very much for sharing your valuable time with me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day. Have a great day. Hare Krishna.